Hey, it's Jerry Bear from One Eye Computer Guy. This tutorial takes a look at the HP 15 laptop, a complete disassembly and hard drive repair. The difficulty of this repair is easy to moderate with just a couple hidden screws. It should take under 10 minutes, and you need a plastic pry tool, a small Phillips screwdriver, and a small pocket knife for removal of the rubberized feet on the bottom. To begin the process, make sure the computer is off before flipping it over to remove the battery. The underside of the computer has a few obvious screws such as these and some hidden ones as well. To remove the DVD drive, there is a single screw that holds it in place that needs removed here. After the screw is out, slide the DVD player out for removal. The battery compartment contains two hidden screws that need removed as well. Finally, there are 4 hidden screws underneath the rubber feet. Using the pointed end of a firm tool, remove the feet so you can remove the screws below. At this point, your computer should look similar to this, as we are ready to remove the base from the palm rest. You may find it easier to separate the base from the laptop by opening it and working in the bottom left-hand corner to separate the two sides. Once there is some separation, work your way around the perimeter of the palm rest to remove the base. Once the bottom of the case is removed, you'll have unabated access to the entire motherboard, including the hard drive on the left and the RAM on the right. The hard drive is held in place by a single screw. Once it is removed, simply lift up and pull backwards in order to release the hard drive. For more tutorials like this, check out oneeyecomputerguy.com. Thank you.